Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. I am Kim from Kimmytisme, and today I have, I'm sure you can see by the title, I have my home type products that are my empties, things I've gone through over the last couple months. I told you the last time you were here that I would start doing these more frequently, so I would have less items to go through and I could combine the beauty and the home together, and I didn't do that because I got tied up and so things built up. So let's get to it because I got a lot, so I'm going to go fast. What I'm not going to do is, once we come to the empties of my wax tarts or the wax cubes, I am not going to give you scent descriptions. I think that's what kills the time here as I start. But I will tell you if it's something I would buy again or not. Okay? So let's start with, I finally went through a candle by Yankee Candle in the scent Moonbeams on Pumpkin. It's a pumpkin scent. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I'm not a Yankee Candle lover anymore. They've annoyed me over the years. I went through 2 bottles of like all-purpose spray cleaners, and this one in the scent of Honeycrisp Apple and the other in French Lavender, all by the brand Method. I really love this lavender scent. I've already bought more of it, and I keep one on backup along with another one of their scents. I think it's Bamboo. The apple was okay. It was okay. It just, I don't think I'd buy it again, but it was all right. Yeah, and everything else is shockingly wax cubes. So you probably already knew that, huh? Keep everything in. I keep all my empties in this big ass Ulta bag. That's all wax cubes. What does that tell you? Okay. Absolutely would buy again. Love it, love it, love it. Top of the line favorite. Better Homes and Gardens limited edition Spice Vanilla Embers. It is a marshmallowy scent that I love. My God. Okay. Better Homes and Gardens limited edition Moonlit Magic Pumpkin. Yes, I would buy again. The brand that doesn't have a brand. Just says Wickless Fragrance Cubes, D&D. Maybe D&D is the brand. I don't know. The scent was gingerbread. I bought it from Hobby Lobby. It was okay. It was okay. I probably wouldn't buy again. Better Homes and Gardens, Fresh Apple Orchards. Absolutely 100% would definitely buy again. Better Homes and Gardens, Butterscotch Maple Cream. You bet I would buy that again. Absolutely. Better Homes and Gardens limited edition Pear Blossom Tea, 100% yes. And Better Homes and Gardens limited edition Fall into Autumn. It is one of my favorite autumn scents. So yes. Yes to both. Oh my God, we're doing this good. Okay. Well, nice and fast. I went through a Better Homes and Gardens. Better Homes and Gardens limited edition warm apricot cider. It's okay. A Sensationals cherry berry. Yeah, this is an awesome summer scent. Awesome. Better Homes and Gardens limited edition pumpkin marshmallow topping. Yes, I would definitely buy again. Better Homes and Gardens. It's one of those doubles, so it's got 2 scents in one. They give it a separate title and then 2 different things, right? So their title is Spiced Apple Pie. One side is apple pie, the other side is cloves. Absolutely, yes, I would buy again. Sensationals Rainbow Shaved Ice, and like a berry punch is what they say is a scent. And this was nice, and I would buy it again. It reminds me of, you know, well, it smells like what it says. Raspberry Shaved Ice, right? Better Homes and Gardens limited edition, A Thankful Harvest. This was a nice, typical pumpkin-y fall scent. Yes, I would buy again. Sensationals Magic Spell, which is, it smells exactly like Victoria's Secret Love Spell. And yes, absolutely, I would buy again. I went through another Better Homes and Gardens limited edition pumpkin marshmallow toppings. There, you can tell I like that one. Better Homes and Gardens Vanilla Cookie Crunch. Absolutely, I would buy again. Sensationals, Sugar High, and I can't even like express to you. Yes, yes, yes. I would buy that again. It reminds me of Kool-Aid and sugar. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition Island Pomelo Dragon Fruit. This was nice. I would definitely buy that again. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition Spiced Pumpkin Pie. Sure, I'd buy it again. Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Edition Mountain Cabin Escape. I'm going to break my rule and smell it. Yes, I had to make sure it was, because there's two different mountain scents. Yeah, I can't express to you. Yes. Oh my God, yes. It is the perfect. I won't do it. I won't. I promise you I wouldn't go through the scents. Yes. If you see it, smell it. If you like that smoky, marshmallowy / men's cologne, wood burning. Yes. Okay. Ooh, I went through another Better Homes and Gardens Fresh Orchard Apples. This is a yes, obviously. I went through more than one. Mountain Twilight by Sensationals. A cool breeze over a pine and aspen. It was good. I would definitely buy it again. This is 100% yes before I even start. Yes, I would buy this again. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition. Pumpkin Berry Tart. You know me and my blueberries, guys. I love blueberries. Sensationals Cotton Candy Cloud. Do we even need to talk about that? Cotton candy? Yeah, I'd buy it again. Sensationals Happy Home. It was okay. I didn't hate it. That wouldn't be not the first thing that I would grab, I guess. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition Lemon Pumpkin Shortbread. Yes. It smells similar to their orange cupcake, I think it's called. It smells similar to that, kind of like that fruity, pebbly smell in the house with a little bit of tricks, and then drop in some pumpkin, and weirdly, it smells good. So yes, I would definitely buy that again. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition Fragrant Woodland Walk. I need to cheat. Hold on. No, I would not buy that again. A little bit on the soapy side, like Irish Spring, but not in a good way. Better Homes and Gardens Limited Edition Peaches and Cream. No, I would not buy that again. And my last two are from the indie brand Witch City Wicks. The one I have, which is a favorite of mine, it is Sleepy Hollow. And yeah, I would definitely buy that again. That's nice. And Black Bat. And yes, I would buy that again. I love Witch City Wicks. Good brand. I love indie brands. Anyway, that is it. My God. No, I lied to you. I have one more sitting over here that I forgot to put in my container. It is Sensationals Cinnamon Apples. And this is your typical cinnamon apple scent. Like the most typical. Every brand in the world makes at least one thing of this scent. You see what I'm saying? Typical fall. It was nice. I would buy again. Yeah, I'd buy it again. It smelled good. That is it, guys. Making sure I'm not lying to you. Yeah, that is it. I am done. So, yeah, I'll get out of your hair. So thank you very much for watching. Please come back and see me again. Give me a like or a thumbs up, like you may say. And please subscribe and come see me again, and let's be friends. Leave me a comment, and I will eventually get back to you. Okay? So, yeah. Have a fabulous, fabulous day. I knew I'd forget one. This is an Empty. My Tide with Downy April Fresh detergent. I have since stopped using this, though, because they once again have changed the April Fresh scent, and it smells like garbage now. So, this is my last bottle of Tide with Downy. But it's empty.